is dedicated. Wow. You the first thing I think of when I wake up at 7:30, late for work, so when I get there they look at me kinda dirty. I look at pictures of us together and think I ain't worthy, and part of me I've been known to get wordy. This little birdie told me I should tell you that you don't owe me nothing for dinner, cause it's a gentlemanly thing to do, but my pocket's thinner. So if you in the mood, there's some hot pockets and ramen, and I wonder would you get the check? Hey, I know that you super into being independent, and I should honor that. Hey, what's on the tab? And you the bomb like Islamabad. I'm an honest cat, so whatever I say I mean it, and if I ever don't seem it, I appreciate you holding me down like a block of cement. She got a job, working for long hours a day, but I was away, but she be holding me down, holding me down. I ain't around, holding me down. She got a job, working for long hours a day, when I was away, but she be holding me down, holding me down. I ain't around, holding me down. Your friends say I'm a bum, but they just don't understand the sign. You know I love you a ton, they don't know what we become. Since I've been on the run like I'm fleeing prison, just trying to see through my vision. You can't expect everybody to get it like flu prevention. You my Yoko Ono, to you I'm your linen, but spending every minute together ain't cool like linen. They try to play me out like I was true religion before I'm assuming winning. If it came to packing up and moving, you be super with it. I know it's all for working in offices, cause I done did it before. Feeling like a damn idiot up in these drugs, but when it's all said and done and it's through, I ain't never had anybody hold me down like she got a job, working for long hours a day, when I was away, but she be holding me down, holding me down. I ain't around, holding me down. She got a job, working for long hours a day, when I was away, but she be holding me down, holding me down. I ain't around, holding me down.
Ba da da da, ba da da da. What if we could plan it out? Cabo for a week, Paris for a day, ooh wee. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am. Yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a beat. Maybe you could chill. All this stuff I have up in my head, I just wanna do. Maybe if you come then you can hang, you can meet the crew. We could even chill out at the park like we did in school. Take you back to when you was a kid, everything was cool. Hope you never lose track, life's a little hard when you're not home, yeah. Yeah, I've been going and going, but still on my own, yeah. I'm a soldier, I fight for what's right, so my heart's just been fighting for you. What more can I do? I just wanna put you in a box like some. Keep you to myself, you know I don't wanna share no options. If I finally tell the truth, then I'm telling it to you. What if we could plan it out? Cabo for a week, Paris for a day, ooh wee. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am. Yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a beat. Maybe you could chill.
안녕하세요. Shawty, you beneficent for real. Tell me how it feel to be the one I meet. Only need a week with you, baby. You so bad, I cannot speak. Shawty, where you been at? I wish I'd known you sooner, so we hit the mat like judo. But I guess it's all okay though, cause we jumping on a plane. US dollars to some pesos on my mind like I'm insane. You my babe, we can go wherever you want. I got lemon in my water and these robes that you got on make me feel like I'm the man, but I can't wait to put you on. We could kick it with this 4-course meal and this nice red wine. Don't hold it all inside, you my number one.
Saturday special, Saturday special. You know what I'm saying? Stress or upset you, don't know how to rest. What? Saturday special. Maybe we could be friends more. I got got a job, but I be free on the weekends for sure. I ain't shallow, rather hop in your deep and me and more. She a short shot of something to think to lean on. I don't take a thing too light, so when you like, you be doing your thing. I know you right, been a minute since I met you by now. I know you right, like a motherfucker. Fuck what they saying, I hold you tight. Told the world I need a break like a drum roll. Plus you got enough soul. I speak and my tongue goes a mile a minute, and mine your eye didn't. We already crossed paths before, now you grinning. I don't even need a big ass smile. You got an attitude, but that's your style. Maybe if I could get up in your latitude somehow, then we could put the past back where it belongs for now. Ow.
Saturday special, won't stress or upset you.
Story.
Don't know how to rest you. Saturday special, Saturday special, won't stress or upset you. Don't know how to rest you. Saturday special. Na 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 na.
I used to punch the clock, taking lunches in a box, crunching numbers, will I make it to the top? I've been frontin', I ain't even had a weekend, I forgot, got heat, I need a drop if I'ma ever get up and out of this spot, God. Fridays are so-so, Sundays I'm low-dose, Mondays are fun crushers like cold flow. Girl, you keep me up like no-dos, you know those. You my southern comfort like so cold, you Yoko. I used to suffer from a case of the Tuesdays, but now I feel on top of everything like a toupee. We don't even need no food and liquor like Lupe. Everybody working for the weekend too, ayy, cause
Saturday special, won't stress or upset you. Don't know how to rest you. Saturday special, Saturday special,
yeah.
won't stress or upset you. Don't know how to rest you. Saturday special. Na 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 na.
So far, so good. Felt the rain, I should find shelter, pull up my umbrella. But today I'm feeling Stella. Wanna feel the weather, sunny rays or stormy pressure. You'll get if I get wet. The hard times bring me moving on to new things, always with my own spin. A queen deserves a true king. Living like a movie, see the way I do me, live that inner beauty. I'm not the type to disrespect me. Get off my back cause you're not ready. See how I flow, I do this in my sleep. Act like a boss, I don't act like Sean. There's no sheep mentality, making my dreams a straight reality. Gradually, my fantasies become so real. Thankfully, it's meant to be. I feel so hopeful, chosen to do what I want to do.
Carpe diem, seize a day as it comes. Cheese attract rats on the scene, get it gone. Rats attract cats out for peace and the dogs. The bitches come in threes, woe is me, fill them up. Same mistakes made on the regular. It's a mind state, won't fade till I let it out. It won't fade till I let it out. But the rain only falls on the fortunate. Wake up calls, needed more of them. I'm sick of scribbling thoughts up against the wall and feeling all kinds of awkward in public before performances. My mind's filling up with the sauce, but I lack the portioning. It's all time to get with the program, enough with the slow jams. I puff on the dope and disconnect with the coke gang. Rough on the nose gang, I fell in love with my own sound. Now, it's so far,
so good. Felt the rain, I should find shelter, pull up my umbrella. But today I'm feeling Stella. Wanna feel the weather, sunny rays or stormy pressure. You'll get if I get wet. The hard times bring me blessings, blessings. Find shelter, pull up my umbrella. But today I'm feeling Stella.
works a day job, sit sideways on the slips where they dock. That if time flies like a bird, shit may drop. She remind me of Baywatch. I was on a chase for the tail like Aesop, but now we on a shades at our place all day spot. I heard I gotta leave to go to work, but I may not. Believe me, I don't mean to be a meanie. That bikini got me losing my way. Ha. Spent days out of Vegas, vague in hotel rooms, assuming the gloom will go away. A note taker in school with no game. What if you bump into someone that rude, they don't stay? I've been chasing her in LA like they did OJ. And she be making me drool, that's why I got her a jewel. I mean a carat or two, I don't vape. For real, that shit's gross.
Don't act wrong. A player like Capcom.
Don't be silly, you're not just a playboy. Think you're cute or acting sweet each day, boy. Loving that you call me on your breaks, boy. No more games, boy. You're not a player.
Was a player, but now we stay home. Your time isn't fair. Too much, please don't go.
I really thought I was gonna get lucky Friday, cause Stephanie said come over. How could I deny her fly face? Don't need no luck from Clover, she gon' eat me up like live bait. Turned out she knew I knew this dude she like, should I wait? I never make a move alone, am I totally corny? Wait, you know I'm right, cause you like, maybe ask him out for me, surely you jest. You musta mixed me up with your best, she my type, but unlike Vito Corleone, I don't get no respect. I guess I'll be on my own like Patti LaBelle, and my pad on my cell, chatting with friends that don't know me that well. They tell me there's a million fish in the sea. I'm like, okay, but I don't need bottom feeders. I want ones who can breathe. Jeez. Type to make plans, but if you push me, baby, I'll commit to something and forget about it, like my left hand. Let's lamp somewhere in the shade. Oh wait, I'm with my crew like a deckhand. You free late every day, my day to day is crazy. Been through a marriage, oh you too? So hopefully you don't take this personal, like Guru. I'm a cool dude, but I do what I want. I wake up late, then after that lay up like LeBron. These layovers from travel kill me. Stay over and we can still be in the same spot with sweats and gray Hanes socks till the day stops. Pace yourself, cause you may have a Monday train stop, but I no longer have